Okay, so it is in the top of the board. Why? Because they will come up with the every release. I mean, they will upgrading their tool every 3 months.
Hmm.
So as per the industrial standards and markets, it is keeping a step. I mean, first place of the position of BPM tools. Earlier, you can observe in 2021-22, Appian is not in the top of the BPM.
Correct. Exactly. Yeah.
So what they did, they included AI Copilot in Appian and AI skills and process HQ, data
No,
plan.
actually, and the same things are available in Pega as well. But the only difference between Pega and Appian is like the cost. Compared to Appian, the Pega cost is too high actually for maintenance, upgrading, all these things. The cost is too high for Pega.
Yeah, cost is
So
too high, and you can easily build an application within days
yeah,
only compared to Pega.
yeah. Even in Pega, they are saying like we can build an application in a month, but in real time, it is not happening actually. That is also one of the reason.
Yes, yes.
Maybe
Cost
this
cutting,
is not the
you
topic for
said
other
correct.
others. Maybe sorry.
You
Yeah.
said the first thing is correct, cost cutting and
Yeah.
time
So
consumption
hmm.
and deliverables.
Yeah.
Based on these three things, it is top on the table. So
Yeah.
yeah, I mean, it is not.
So do it. I think I'm in good technology, right? I will be in good technology if I learn Appian.
Yeah, you will
Switching
be.
from Pega to Appian.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm assurance for that.
Okay.
If you
Fine.
are Pega people, it is easy for you to learn Appian. There is
Hmm.
no need to learn. I mean, you also know in the Pega you are not going to use any coding language.
Correct. Exactly.
Same here also, we have a shell component. I mean, we have a separate patent language for the Appian. It's a shell. It's
Hmm.
similar to the HTML,
Okay.
but you don't need to learn anything. It will. I mean, it will have a documentation. Whatever you need, you need to know what kind of component I need to use. You need to
Okay.
aware. Then you
Hmm.
can search about that component. You will get a lot of examples how we are going to use that component. Any
Correct.
kind of.
Similar to Pega. Hmm.
So you need to aware of exact time what you need to use.
Correct. Like same thing in Pega as well. Like. Hmm.
Yes. So yesterday, this is the first class about what is BPM and certifications and what are the versions. This
Hmm.
kind of things I discussed on the first day, and second day is all about the architecture.
Okay.
Architecture in the sense, before going to build any application, you want to know about the tool architecture first of all. Even though you just consider you are a constructor and you want to build any uh, 10 floors or G plus 9 building, then you need to know the plan, blueprint of that particular ground. So then
Hmm.
only you can build. So likewise, each and every tool we have a architecture. So likewise, Appian is also having architecture. Earlier, if you want to, I mean, you just go through it once in the last class, you will get it. Then we can discuss on tomorrow.
Okay.
If you have any doubt, we'll discuss on. And first of all, let me share my screen. Hey, hello everyone who are joining new. So try to create a new account. I mean, try to register yourself in the Appian community. Just go through Appian community and register yourself with your Gmail. Then you will get it, this kind of environment for you. You can work here. It is a free for everyone. But in the free version, we have some I mean, disadvantages like we can't import any application here, and we don't have any database access also here. So we have some limitations in the free version. If you go
Okay.
organization level, you will get it import option and the database connection on admin console also will get it. But no worries, whatever we are going to do in the paid level, I'll try to explain here itself. Then it is easy for you. Okay.
Okay.
Once we can reach into the Appian designer. So I'm just written one POC here. Like anyone, any suggestions of this? I'll just explain here. we are going to build one POC. It's a loan management system. Why? Because everyone knows about the banking sector. Like we are new going to learn one tool. So why it's a easy. I mean, day to day life you can see the bank how it works and all. So it is easy for us to understand. First, going to begin anything. If you it is a known topic, it is easy for us. Just I'm just telling about the requirements thing. If you know about the requirements thing, then your brain will start to thinking, okay, what kind of objects is there? So what kind of components is used for us for this particular application? So this kind of questions will rise in your brain. Okay. So I'm just considering I will going to create a loan management application. What are the steps? So what is your day, today's date? 27 June 2025. So here, first point. So what is my application name? It's a loan management system. And what are the steps? So I need to create an Appian account. So that's what I need to do. I need to go through community, first step. And after that, register myself and create a workspace for me. So these steps we need to follow. First of all, if you want to build any application in Appian, you need a member of Appian. That's what you can go to the Appian community and register yourself and create a workspace for you. Sorry, not myself. Yeah, myself and workspace. Create a workspace. Create a workspace. These kind of things. This is the three steps before going to create an application. So after that, what should I do? So we have add application. I'll show you. So you can see new application button. So this is the first step. And right here, click on new application button. And so we'll click on that. So I'm just clicking on this new application button. You can see here name, description, and this is the main important thing. So I'll explain. First, I'll give the name of this application. So I'm
One doubt actually, like we are doing in the APN community itself, right?
yes, it is Appian community.
Uh, but after 24 hours, it will get removed, right? So I'm not sure. Like in Pega, it will get removed if you do the same
No,
in
no, no. It
EDM.
will keep alive. It will keep alive. So
It
you
will.
can see below, I have a test application. I have created this test application in 670.
Okay.
617 in the sense 10 years. Sorry, 10 days. Before 10
Okay.
days.
Okay.
Sorry. Before 10 days, I have created.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Yeah. So whenever I am giving here the name, it is automatically taking the prefix. Okay. I have given loan management system. It is saying LMS. Okay. I'm just giving the description of this application. Like if you want, you can see here. Second application, it is a W0171 AS Acme Auto Solutions. What is the description? Solution application for the build an application to step-by-step process. So likewise, what are the things we are going to provide in this application? Description is a reflection of the application. So here I am giving bank workflow application. So anyone, I mean, they're not aware of Appian, they can see, okay, loan management system, what is the description? Bank workflow application. They can understand, oh, it's a bank application. So they're going to configure some workflows here. So based on the description, they can aware of that. So it is, so first of all, what we have to do, we have to give the name, description, name, description, and checkbox. So what is the checkbox? What it is saying? Generate groups and folders to secure and organize objects. So it is 2025. Earlier, we have to create. So if you check this box, what is the meaning? It will create groups and folders for your application automatically. So just think, if you are going to create any application, you must need two groups, all users group and administrator group. And four folders is must need, four folders for every application. I will explain each and everything. So if you uncheck this one, you have to do it manually. So first of all, I will also go with the checkbox and I'll try to create. I'm creating. So here, see, it is asking default. It's a permission kind of thing. A review application security. Here, a default users are having no access. Only this application administrators having administrator access, and all users are having viewer action, viewer permission level. And you can check this drop down. You can get to know administrator, editor, viewer, and deny. Editor in the sense, if you want to give any specific permissions to the specific objects that particular time, you can give editor access. Viewer in the sense, they can see all the objects in the application, but they could not perform any action on that particular object. This is viewer action. Deny in the sense, they are present in the application, but they are not aware of anything. But in the name wise, those people are present in that application, but they do not have any access. This is called a deny. So I'll provide this information for you. It is easy to learn for you. You can just understand. Loan management system administrators are having admin access. All users are having viewer action. So I'm creating this. If you want to add any group, you can add it. So this is a new kind of thing. Here you can see it's a plan. We are entering into the. I'm just giving the backspace here. Our application is created. You can see loan management system is created. So once I open this application, in the left side top top panel, I can see plan, build, sorry, explore, build, deploy, and monitor. Each and every application, these 5 steps are the common. In the plan, what you can see. So I'll give this input to plan. AI is there. It will create all the workflow for you. I'm just giving this plan to here, AI Copilot. So I'm asking to Copilot to generate the plan for my application. It's a new tab they introduced on 24.4, I guess. Last year they have provided this new kind of section. Whatever the requirements you have, just copy paste in the AI Copilot, it will give. See, this document outlines the requirement for a loan management system focusing on the loan review and approval process. You can see the,
Sorry to interrupt. Hello.
yeah, Mustaq,
Can
please.
you come back from the permission levels? I missed that the administrator and the viewer level.
Yeah, after that, you just click on that save. It will save on application and it will redirect you to this page.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Before AI, do we need to create it manually like
No, no,
this?
no.
I
This
mean, before
section,
AI, before AI.
yeah, this section is not there before.
Okay.
It is newly added. So if you want to do manually, here you can add activity. By using this button, you can add activity. It is nothing. It's just a plan. It is useful for the business users. If you want to modify anything in the while you are developing, you can do that. There is a no restriction for this.
So if we want to add any additional advantage, I mean, stages or like that, we can add.
Yeah,
Like
you
if,
can add.
okay.
Yeah, AI could not understand 100% the requirement what you are going to develop in your mind. Correct?
Hmm.
It's all about on us. So it is just giving. We need a submit loan form, a root loan request, a review and approval, notification, and what type of groups we are going to build. It is just giving suggestions like level one approval, level two, level three, and review manager. These four kind of groups we have to create, and what type of data models we are going to use here. It is suggesting a loan request, loan review task, and this status kind of things. This is a tables. It is suggesting. If you want to create, you can create. Or if you want to create a manual table by using this button, you can create. This is a high level picture. You could not see in any application these kind of pictures. So it is just telling about the relationship between the tables.
Tables in the sense like stages, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
status. Status in the sense it is a loan request. What kind of fields, columns you are going to include in the database level. It is just giving
Okay.
suggestions.
So it is not like flow kind of thing.
Yeah, this is not a flow.
Okay.
It is just telling about the relationship between the um, parent table and child tables. But it is not required. We are not going to create these kind of tables. It is just AI. It is in the developing stage. It is just giving suggestions to us. So this is my requirement. I'm just putting requirement in the AI Copilot. It is giving some kind of structures. Like you can go with these kind of structures. And even though a non-developer just consider a business analyst is coming to our application, they can work with this particular plan. He will try to create new tables and who are the groups permissions we are going to give to that particular application, what are the requirements. He can work, I mean, who are the business analysts, they will work here in the plan step. So here they are providing a copilot. If you want to make changes, you will ask. I'm just asking. I'm just asking. Say copilot. So whatever the command you have given to that AI Copilot, it will build your plan according to that. It's a new kind of thing. No one is going to. I mean, if you join anywhere, no one tell this kind of things. Why? Because they are also not aware of this.
If I mean, if the projects are already started in any of the companies, this option wouldn't be available there, right?
It is based on their version.
Ah,
If
yeah, this is based on their version. Oh, correct.
if you assume I am working on 23.2 version
Hmm.
in my organization. Now it is 2 years behind them.
So this option wouldn't be available there.
Hmm. I could not see this option in my uh, currently working version. So you can see here this background blue, baby pink, and somewhat yellow. So this is in 25.2 update. You said I loved it. Earlier it is not like this. It's a kind of normal application, but they are going with some makeup for this 25.2. It's looking cool compared to earlier versions. UI wise, it is very cool. I'm also exploring now these kind of interfaces. So coming to the our application, first what I did, I filled these things, and after that, I'm just planning my application. I just planned my application by using this plan. And if you go to the Explore, you can see all how many objects present in my application as of now. I did not created anything, correct? Okay. It is asking some new record type or whatever you want. So I don't need this kind of things as of now. I'll just ignore this. Okay, you need to build any one of the object. Definitely, if you click on explore first time, you have to build any one of the object. Okay, as of now, I'll go with the new record type. I'll give my record type as a loan form. It will come. Display name is automatically will come. Earlier, I told you, first class, I told you, earlier we have a CDT approach. Now we are going for the record approach. Record approach is nothing but you are not going to create any CDT data types. Instead of creating CDT, you are just creating record type. This record type for what? It's for the loan form. So I'm just giving the description for a record type for a loan form. You just click on create. Okay, same. You just conclude that while you are going to create any object inside the Appian, it will ask the permissions for each and every object. Application permission level is different. Object level permission is different. Just make this point. Application level permission is different. Object level permission is different. So here I am giving LMS users. LMS users is nothing but the all users in the present in the application. They have the viewer access for this particular record, and admins only having administrator access. These are the by default permission levels provided by the Appian for the administrators and all users. If you click on save, it will create one record for you. Okay, you can see this record. Okay, so if you go here, it in the first tab is plan. What is your application plan? Second tab is explore. Explore in the sense what kind of objects are there. You can see currently all objects are 8. I did not touch anything. I created only record, but remaining 7 objects automatically created. Why? Because earlier we selected one checkbox, generate groups and folders by default. So that's what 7 objects are created automatically. I'll show you the objects where we can get those all objects. If you want to see, you can click on see all objects. You can see this, or you can go to the build option, third one, build option. So see these things, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth one is created by me, but these 7 objects are created automatically. Why I am calling these things are objects? You can go to the left panel. You can see objects. So currently Appian is providing AI skill to web API. These are the objects. By using these 15 to 20 objects, we are going to build a new application. So all objects are needed. It is always depend upon the requirements. Okay. As of now, any doubts?
No.
No wrong.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Then before you are going to anything, you want to learn what is groups and what is folders. Okay. Going to the help. Help is nothing but docs.appian. You can see in the 9 navigator bar, you can go with the Appian Designer, Process HQ, Operation Console, RPA, Cloud Database. Cloud Database in the sense you need to create a workstation for you. So this is the workstation for me. I can see my tables, what are the tables created. See, what is my application? I did not connect it with my table, correct? As of now, I did not connect it with any table. So my record is created, but I did not connect it. So what will you do? First step is groups and folders. So you just search groups. or create group. Then create group service, not like this. Okay, I'll provide this particular link. You can get it the some information about the groups and folders. So you can see here 4 folders. What is the use of each and every folder? You just go through today. You just go through about the folders. Why? Because while creating an application, these folders. Why these folders are created? What is the use of these 4 folders? And what is the use of these 2 groups? It is needed. I am asking question for you. Tomorrow, each and everyone, I mean, go through this documentation part and just make some points. What you understand about the groups and folders. Self-learning is the best thing. So that's why I'm giving work for you guys. Tomorrow, what will you do? I'll provide this content for you guys. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, Mustaq, you can.
Oh, sorry, Ram. Sorry, I was in. Sorry.
Okay. Uh, so I'll provide this content for you guys. What is the loan management I'm going to create? And you just go with the steps like you just create your account and create a workspace for you. I already explained how to create a workspace for us yesterday. And you follow the steps. Click on new application and fill the. I'm just filling my application name, loan management system. It is up to you. But inside content is the same, but application name and description, it's your choice. It's your application, it's your choice. And just go to the planning with my requirements, copy paste this thing, and it will create, AI will create some plan for you guys. And after that, go to the build and check how many objects are created for you. And if you want to create any new record, you can go here and click on the record type. You can create a record for you. It will create a record for you. So as of now, this is appropriate way for the beginners to create an application. Any questions here? So anyone can take initiation, and what are the steps you are going to try today? Anyone from the team? Okay, one message. No, wrong. Okay, you don't have any questions. Okay, if you don't have any question, try to explain the steps. What are the steps you are going to, if you want to build an application, what are the steps you are going to proceed? I mean, you are going to act. Anyone?
Building the application. Uh,
Mhm.
I mean, exactly not sure about the navigation, but somewhere in the left side, building the application, and we can paste all that. I mean, the requirement in the I mean, Gen AI. Then it will create the stages kind of thing.
Okay.
Actually, I'm using this Pega terminology. I'm not. I'm forgetting these Appian words actually. So please don't mind.
Yeah. Terminology.
And
You can learn this terminology.
yeah,
Okay.
it will show all the tables like flow kind of sorry, flow kind of thing. It will show all the tables. Then we can go and create the record type.
Mm. I just select a record type. If you want to create
Sorry.
a site or whatever you want, you can create. It is showing three kind of things. So like you can create a record or site or portal. It's
Mm,
up to you. So
yeah.
you are just creating. You are not configuring anything in the inside of that particular object. You are just creating and that's it.
Yeah, and we need to find the difference. I mean, go through the folders and then other actually folders.
Yeah. So if you want any help, like you can go and search in the nine dots navigator bar. You can
Mm.
see the help option. Or if you don't find this, just type docs.appian. Just take a new tab. Just take a new tab and docs.appian. Docs.appian is nothing but a documentation for Appian. You can find out all the things. If you want to search, like in the Google also, if you want to search, I need the folder information. What are the folders inside the Appian? I don't know. So folders in Appian. It will automatically redirect. Appian community. It will automatically redirect. Create folder and move the folder documents to folder. See folder object. It will see automatically redirecting it. So here also you can see the DL docs.appian. So if you want any information, the primary resource is docs.appian. So whatever you want, you need groups information, just try to type up the what are the groups present in the Appian application, or just search groups. And if you want to know about the information about the folder, you just try to search folder. And I'll give some task for you guys tomorrow. You have to create the same kind of things. Whatever the steps I followed today's class, you need to proceed the same steps. Like if you already have registered with Appian, try to create one application by using this new application button. And I will provide these requirements for you guys. Don't worry, I'll paste it in chat. You can copy and save it in your local.
Tomorrow in this is Monday, right?
Yeah, next session is Monday, so that's why I'm giving some work for you guys.
Okay.
Try to explore, and recording also with you guys. They will provide. If you had any doubt in the time, just go through the record once. My suggestion is every day before starting any task which is given from my side, try to go through record once, recording sessions, and after that analyze what are the steps and what are you are going to build. Why? Because initial stage is important for each and everyone. It will like it's just like okay, while I am teaching, okay, I can do that. You have that confidence, I can do that. But you are going to do, I mean, if you are going to take that particular part and you are going to build, that time you will get a lot of questions and a lot of thoughts you will get. So make sure that before going to build any application, try to go with the recording session first. Okay, I have provided this kind of this particular information for you. If you want to change anything here, you can go ahead and please discuss with me before going to change any point here. Okay, I mean, while you are going to learn this application only, so if you want to add any add-ons here, you can add here, and just ask before adding anything. Okay, and I will go with the, I mean, I'm just recapping this session what we have till now discussed. As a new user, you can go to
I'm sorry to interrupt. This is Kishan. Today only I joined. Yeah.
okay.
I just want to understand. There are three options, right? One is a record, and second is portal, and there is something else. Yeah. What is the difference between the other two?
It's a kind of you can just navigate here. See, we have a lot of objects here. You can go through the application inside. We have a lot of objects. AI skills having a different functionality. Connector system having a different functionality. You can go with the site. Site is having different functionality, and portal is not here. It is a paid subscription. We have to take the subscription. Portal is not going to free for everyone.
Mm-hmm.
Site, you can use the site. It's a portal and site is a similar kind of objects, but here the some difference is site we can use. If you want to use site site object, you need access for the application. So before creating this application, it is asking admin having admin permission, all users having all users permission. But portal is a separate object. If you create portal, you can share with anyone. It will give one link. You can non-Appian users also can access the portal. That is the leverage of Appian. BPM tools are not going to do this kind of things, but Appian is providing, I mean, free hand for the portals. Anyone can access this portal from outside Appian users also access, and they can perform some actions in that portal. It will save whatever the actions did for the non-business, I mean, non-Appian users also. It's a separate topic. I will cover this topic on upcoming sessions. This is the first session for you guys. It's a good question, Kishan.
Yeah.
Make sure that site is a different object, portal is a different object. They have a different capabilities. It will do different works.
Okay.
So it's the first session for you. If I go with the in-depth, you don't understand this. Uh, I mean, it's the first session for you.
Yeah.
You could understand much more about it. So if you have enthusiasm, if you want to learn, I told you we have a docs.appian. You can just search site, what is portal. You just analyze yourself, and if it is a good or bad, try to communicate with me. I'm here to guide you. If you learn
Yeah.
something about site or object, site or portal, just try to ask me. Like I learned this site. It is a, I mean, it is a exact thing, or I'm in the same way, or I need to correct it. I'll guide you.
Okay. In the real time, we won't use portal and site.
It's always a site we will always use. Site is a end user will interact with the site only. Whatever you are developing in the inside, you have to put in those kind of things into site. Site is the you can see here nine navigator. These all are the sites. These all are the sites from net zero carbon to here Acme Automobiles. These all are the objects. If you go with the order management, I'm just taking one example. If you go to the order management, this is the site. You can see.
Okay.
So they are providing calendar also. So based on the selection, you can see I'm selecting 30. Here it is changing below order status all. So this is a new feature. We you can also learn these things. I'll teach you how to build a calendar using Appian. Okay. Um, any questions?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, Kishan. Hope you just go through the last previous two recording sessions, or if you want to ask anyone, any people are there to assist him in the. I mean, previous few people are joined few previous two sessions. Anyone, if you understand those previous two sessions, we have a time. We have a 14 minutes of time still. So anyone assist Kishan, go ahead. What are the two sessions we discussed? Just 1 or 2 minutes. Anyways, you will go through us recording our sessions, but try to build communication between among you guys.
Hi, Kishan.
Yeah.
This is Mustaq. In the previous sessions, like we had discussed about the basics of BPM and what are the various versions of it and what are the type of certifications we have. We are using currently 25.2 version, and there are three types of certifications: L1, L2, L3, and also we discussed about CDT data types and the records creations. What's the difference between them? How it will used to be in the previous thing, and to be precise, like uh, how the things will be in the BPM rules, like requirement gathering, analysis is the second step, and the third step is development. And after that, we will be having sit uh, as many of the guys knows here who is having experience of 9 years and all. And the fourth step is release and the deployment of the rules we got. And apart from that, how actually it plays a crucial role in what is the difference between pen and pega and some of the tools which is booming in the market it all, and also the creation of some user stories, like by using client side Jira and Excel. We from gathering the information we use this one. And also Yeah, like how to create the packages and CND project, like compare and deploy projects, and the manual deployment. We also get to know about the differences. Yeah, and today we're seeing as like creation of applications. This was like overview of the last two classes, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, Ram.
Yeah, nice job, Mustaq. So I'm just appreciating you. I'm surprised also as well. You are going to blast. It's a good thing, Mustaq. You nailed it.
Yeah,
Thank you,
looks like
Ram. I'm
many
interested,
W.
as I told you.
Yeah, yeah, Kishan. See this guy, Mustaq. I am not aware of him. He joined also just a student, and before 2 days only. See, he is explaining a lot of things. So might be you will also upcoming days you will also do the same job. I'm
Yeah,
appreciating Mustaq. Yes,
yeah.
yes.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Ram. Thank you so much. Even I don't have any experience in that. It's a new technology for me.
But
But yes, I
you
am
can
interested and
understanding that
I'm keen
like
to learn.
what is PD, what is record, just
Yeah.
that names you are aware of that. That is the good thing. And guys, one more thing. Let me share my screen. I'm giving task for you guys. The first task is you have to create application, and after that, the second thing is what is groups and folders. You can try to anyone try to uh, type and paste it on chat. First task is creating application, and second task is what is groups and folders. What are the types of folders and what are the types of groups. Anyways, I'll teach you on Monday, but I need each and every person, I need some response from your end. Why? Because I'm giving some inputs for you, but end of the day you need to initiate that thing and you need to learn. So this is the second task. First task is creating application in Appian, and second task is what are the groups and folders here, and third point is what are the object types in Appian. You can just learn AI skill to just I need some mouth talk. I will ask. You can tell any 10 objects present in Appian. I need mouth talk from you guys. You just learn these objects. You ignore what kind of if just a decision is there. If what kind of functionality is there, you just ignore that. I need just names from you guys. First thing. I will ask tomorrow. Randomly, I will ask. If I ask any 5 objects from Mustaq, apart from Mustaq telling these 5 objects, apart from that, you have to cover remaining thing. So make sure, guys, try to learn. It's just a 15 to 20 objects. I'm asking just names, not the functionality of each and every object. I'm just asking the names. So these three kind of things. This is the work for you guys from Saturday, Sunday, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me on Saturday or Sunday. We have one group, WhatsApp group. Sarita ma'am is there. She will go to add you guys. So don't worry. If you have any doubts while you are working, just ping on that group. If I'm free, I'll try to reply you guys, or else we'll connect every day in the morning session. Yeah. I mean, any questions or suggestions from your end for this session?
Yeah, hi, this is VK Venkat.
Venkat. Okay. Hi, Venkat.
Yeah, I have a question for the application, right? When we gonna use the SAML authentication for the application?
SAML authentication.
Yeah, SAML authentication.
SAML authentication. If you want to use SAML authentication, you need a proper admin console configurations also. In the community level, we don't have that admin console properties. It's a paid version only.
Yeah.
You get this. Do you know earlier? Do you know about the SAML configuration? That is my question.
Uh,
When we
I don't know that much. Like, I'm also working on the same community edition, but I didn't know about this SAML authentication. I mean, that's
yes,
what I'm asking. Like, when we gonna use the like at
no,
the
no,
complete of our application or?
no, no. we can't enable the SAML here. Why? Because this is a community edition. We don't have admin access, admin console access also. SAML is nothing but if you have outside any users, they want to access your application while requesting a request.
Oh, okay.
So that particular time SAML would be useful. So I'm just explaining you. You are working as a HDFC bank manager. Someone
Okay.
wants access. You one new employee joined into your bank. As a manager, you need
Okay.
access to that particular person who joined. That person will
Okay.
raise a request. In HDFC portal, he raise one request, but it will comes to
Okay.
just assume we are using Appian application in the HDFC bank. The
Mhm.
new joinee needs a permission for the Appian application. But
Oh, okay. Like a user group, like we got the groups like admin and the user,
yes,
like we got the. Mhm.
we have separate groups for that. You just we will create one HDFC group in our
Okay.
Appian application. What that person will do in the HDFC portal, he will raise a request for access. You just assume one button is there, request for access. If you click on that button, one
Mhm.
SAML configuration will run in the background. It will give that particular user ID to this group. It will, I mean, once the approval is done from the manager, it will add
Mhm.
automatically. One sync process will run. If you configure the SAML to the Appian, one sync process will run in the background. It will add the user into
Oh,
direct whatever the you are requesting for the cashier group. It will add you the cashier
oh,
group upon manager approval.
okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
this is the SAML.
I understand.
Yeah, this is
I
the
got.
SAML process works behind the Appian. It's nothing.
Mhm.
From the different environment, you are requesting for the access to this particular group. Once upon the approval of the higher management, you will add into that particular group. Then you can access by using link.
Oh, okay. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean,
Yeah. Yeah.
is there
Thank you.
any person? I mean, all are Telugu people or anyone do not understand this Telugu? All are Telugu?
Telugu.
Okay. Okay. ఏం లేదు, మీకేమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా పర్లేదు, ఫీల్ ఫ్రీగా మీరు తెలుగులో అడగొచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే మనం అందరం ఇక్కడ తెలుగు వాళ్ళే ఉన్నాము. సో ఫీల్ ఫ్రీ. సో మనకి క్రిష్ గారు ఇక్కడ చెప్పేశారు 3 టైప్స్: క్రియేటింగ్ అప్లికేషన్, గ్రూప్స్ అండ్ ఫోల్డర్స్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఇన్ ద అప్లికేషన్, ఐ మీన్ ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఇన్ యాపిన్. సో ఈ 3 కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ నేను మండే రోజు ఒక ఫస్ట్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ ఈ 3 కైండ్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్ మాత్రమే నేను డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. ఎందుకంటే ఇనీషియల్ స్టేజ్ లో మీరు కనుక పికప్ అయితే కనుక ఆ తర్వాత అంత ఫోకస్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వస్తే నేను ఫోకస్ చేస్తాను. ఇనీషియల్ స్టేజ్లో ఏంటంటే మీకు ప్రతిదీ అర్థం కావాలి, మీరు ప్రతిదీ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయాలి. మీరు కొంచెం ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వస్తే, ఆ హ్యాండ్ ఆన్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వస్తే కనుక అప్లికేషన్ మీద చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది మీకు. సో నా మెయిన్ మోటో అయితే అదే, మీరు ఫస్ట్ అప్లికేషన్ గో త్రూ అవ్వాలి. అండ్ హాయ్, ఓకే, నేను రికార్డింగ్ స్టాప్ చేస్తాను.